Hello, good day. I am Eileen N. Parocha, a DSUS student of the University of the Philippines, Open University. I choose to present in FMA 2 the CARE framework. It is a comprehensive assessment of advocacy communication and social mobilization effectiveness. The CARE framework is an evaluation model designed to assess the effectiveness of advocacy, communication, and social mobilization programs. It integrates the process of evaluation outcome, evaluation, and the impact evaluation, while emphasizing the participation, sustainability, and evidence-based decision-making. The framework draws from communication, behavior change, and program evaluation theories to determine whether the ACSM intervention achieve meaningful and lasting change. The CARE framework has a four interconnected components trace the pathway from the context sustainable impact. The C framework is context and needs assessment. It identifies the social, cultural, political, and environmental factors influencing the issue before the program implementation. And the A is the advocacy and communication quality. It assesses the effectiveness of advocacy strategies and communication messages in reaching target audience, influencing decision making. R is for the result and behavioral change. It evaluates the changes in the knowledge, attitudes, behavior, and policy outcome resulting from the ASM intervention. And the E is the empowerment and sustainability. It measures the community ownership, institutional capacity, and long-term sustainability of a program outcomes. The context and needs assessment, why it's matter. Because a successful ASCM program begins with the understanding community needs, existing resources, barriers, and policy environment. The social ecological explains that health and social behavior are shaped by influencing in multiple levels, from individual to the policy system. Conducting a needs assessment ensure that intervention address the root cause of the problem rather than only its symptoms. Second is the advocacy and communication quality. The advocacy influence the communication drives awareness and behavior change together. They determine whether the message reaches and moves target the audience. Agenda setting theory suggests that the communication can shape a public priorities by emphasizing important issues. Diffusion innovation theory explain how new ideas spread through communities, highlighting the importance of opinion leader and communication change to encourage adoption. And three is the result and behavior change. An effective ASCM program should demonstrate measurable change in knowledge, attitudes, and practice. The health belief model explains that individuals are more likely to adopt healthy behavior when they perceive threat, recognize the benefits of action, and face fewer barriers. That theory plan behavior further emphasizes that attitude, subjective norms, and perceived behavioral control influence behavioral intention and actual behavior. And four, empowerment and sustainability. It is a long-term success depends on the community ownership and continued participation after external support ends. The communication of social change model emphasizes dialogue, participation, and collective decision as a driver of sustainable social change. Similarity, the access-based community develop approach focused on community strengths and local assets rather than deficits, promoting resilience and self-reliance. Application of the CARE framework across the monitoring and evaluation cycle. The framework aligns the standard and monitoring and evaluation stage, providing the structural pathway from the baseline impact. Number one is the baseline to context the needs and assessment. Second is the process to advocacy and the communication quality and the outcome for the result and behavioral change and the impact, empowerment, and sustainability. Its evaluation stage map directly to care components, ensuring continuous theory informed assessment throughout the program life cycle. The strength of the CARE framework is to integrate qualitative and quantitative evaluation methods, aligns with the monitoring and evaluation principles, measures the both behavioral and policy outcome, encourage stakeholder participation, and promotes long-term sustainability for the applicable to health, environment, education, and development program. And to conclude this presentation, the CARE framework provides comprehensive approach to evaluating advocacy, communication, and social mobilization programs by examining the entire pathway from community needs assessment to sustainable impact by integrating established communication, behavior change, community development theories, and framework enables evaluators to assess not only whether a CSM activities were implemented effectively, but also whether they product meaningful behavioral, social, and policy changes. This holistic approach supports evidence-based decision-making and continuous improvement of development programs. The key takeaway, CARE is not just an evaluation tool, it is a framework for designing ASEM program that are accountable participation to build last. Thank you for listening, and here is my references.